Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to share your game library with other accounts on your Nintendo Switch. So in the upper left, you can see I have 4 accounts. So my main account right here, I can buy things through the store like Super Smash Brothers and share with every other account. So let's go down to the Nintendo eShop and select this. And then choose my primary account, Timothy. Now the Nintendo eShop is going to go ahead and load. It's going to take about 5 to 10 seconds. Then we want to go all the way to the right and then go up to the little profile icon and select A on that. Now let's go to my name, go to the right, scroll on down. And we are looking for this option called Primary Console. Mine says deregistered because I already have it registered, but go to where it says deregistered and select it. And then you should be able to register it right there. On your primary console, you and other users have full access to downloaded software you have purchased from Nintendo eShop. So you can share with all other accounts on your Nintendo Switch, and you can even play them offline. And it says on consoles other than your primary console, only a user linked to your Nintendo account can access purchased software, and the console must be connected in order to play it. So you have to play online all the time. Otherwise, you are kind of out of luck. So that is how you can easily share your games with all other accounts on your Switch. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.